Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Gemini, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards first, guys. We have Ace of Cups, Nine of Swords, and Six of Swords. Gemini, with these cards in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you, you are in some kind of confusion. Maybe you are making some important decisions. So it may be in your work, so related to some projects or some assignments, whatever your work is. You are making some important decisions today, guys, and you don't know what is the right thing to do. So some kind of stress you feel. And maybe for some of you, you have made a wrong choice in the past. So that outcome, you are feeling it today and your mistake is coming to light. So you may feel guilty and you may feel that people around you in your work, so they know your mistakes and you are worried because of that, guys, and you are they are talking behind you or in front of you that you are the reason for this situation now, or it may be in your life in this relationship with this person. So some mistakes you did, maybe it may be you didn't do it intentionally, but it has just happened and it is simply embarrassing you. All that has come to light, whatever you did today, guys, maybe in the past, so that has come to light today. So you feel you are stuck to a particular situation, sadness and stressed because of that, guys, Gemini. And maybe for some of you there is something positive happening today, guys. Whatever your situation is, Gemini, maybe you feel guilty of some mistakes, or there are some troubles in your situation, in your career or in your personal life, maybe some arguments or fights, whatever it is. We see positive cards here, positive energy here, guys, with these cards. So you are going to heal from that. You are going to come out successfully. So you are going to just push all this negativity back and you're going to move forward in life in a positive way, guys. So your difficult situation is simply going to resolve, and there is a new beginning for you all, guys, Gemini, with this card here. This card stands for a positive new beginning, something which you love to do, something which you are really passionate about. So it may be a new beginning of a project in your career situation, or it may be a new phase of life in your personal life. So with this person in this relationship, you may turn a new leaf and you are enjoying that freshness and sweetness. You both have understood each other, reconciled with whatever troubles you had. So you are going for that reconciliation and you are moving on, guys, with life. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Justice. So with this card in your situation, guys, Gemini, just like I said, whatever troubles you are facing in this love, you are going to find that harmony and balance, guys. You are taking that responsibility, and or you want to take responsibility for all the mistakes that you did, and you are healing from this negative situation, and you are moving forward in a positive way, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Knight of Cups. So I see that you are a very passionate, daring person who has dreams and goals, and you are moving towards those dreams and aspirations you have for yourself, guys. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards, and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through, and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out, or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles, or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or some had some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness, or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.